Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my class. Okay, today we are going to continue to another subtopic for numbers up until 1000, which is number sequences. Okay, what are we going to learn in number sequences? The first one, counting on in ones, twos, fives, tens, and hundreds. And second, we are going to learn counting back in ones, twos, fives, tens, and hundreds. Okay, let's go. Okay, for 1.1, count on. Okay, what is the meaning of counting on? It means that our upcoming numbers will become larger than the first number. Okay, let's look at the first one. Count on in ones. Okay, we have here 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, and 106. Did you notice that the colored number over here is keep adding by 1? Okay, so we said that the numbers keep adding by 1. Okay, next, count on in twos. I have here 202, 204, 206, 208, 210, and 212. Okay, let's look at the colored number here. From 2 to become 4, you must add 2. From 4 to become 6, you must also add 2. Thus, this number sequence, we can say that the numbers keep adding by 2. Next, count on in fives. I have 310, 315, 320, 325, 330, and 335. Okay, the colored number here shows that it adds 5 to get the next number. So the numbers keep adding by 5. Next, count on in tens. I have here 600, 610, 620, 630, 640, 650. Okay, the colored number at the back keep adding by 10. Did you see here from 0 plus 10, we will get 10. 10 plus 10, we will get 20. 20 plus 10, you got 30. 30 plus 10, you will have 40. And 40 plus 10, you will have 50. Thus, this number sequence count on in tens, and the numbers keep adding by 10. Last for count on is count on in hundreds. I have here 412, 512, 612, 712, 812, and 912. Okay, the colored number here shows the digit at 100 place value. Okay, so this number is changing by 100. From 400 become 500. From 512 becomes 612. So this number keep adding by 100. Thus we said that this number sequence counting on in hundreds, and the numbers are keep adding by 100. Okay, next we are going to see about count back. Okay, what is count back? Okay, counting back means that our upcoming numbers will become smaller than the first number. Okay, let's look at the first example. Count back in ones. So I have here 219, 218, 217, 216, 215, 214, and 213. Okay, let's look at the colored number here. Okay, I got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, it is like counting down. Okay, so these numbers count down or count back in ones. Thus we said this number sequence count back in ones, where the numbers keep reducing by 1. Okay, reducing means berkurang. Okay. Next, count back in twos. I have 128, 126, 124, 122, 120, 118. Okay, the colored number here shows that the number must minus or subtract with 2 to get the next number. And the first number is larger than the upcoming numbers, or we said that just now the upcoming numbers will become smaller than the first number. Thus, this number sequence is counting back in twos, and the numbers keep reducing by 2. Next, count back in fives. I have here 350, 345, 340, 335, 330, and 325. Look at this colored number here. Okay, from 50 to get 45, you have to minus by 5. From 45 to get 40, you have to minus by 5. Thus, we said that this number sequence count back in fives, or the numbers keep reducing by 5. Next, count back in tens. The first number I have here is 690, 680, 670, 660, 650, 640. Okay, thus this colored number here shows that it minus or subtract by 10. Okay, so 90 minus 10 you got 80, 80 minus 10 you got 70, 70 minus 10 you will get 60, 60 minus 10 you will have 50, 50 minus 10 you will have 40. Thus, this number sequence is count back in tens, or we can say that the numbers keep reducing by 10. And the last one, count back in hundreds. I have here 820, 720, 620, 520, 420, 320. The colored number here shows that it is becoming smaller. The upcoming numbers become smaller. Okay, from 820 to become 720, you must subtract with 100. So this number sequence count back in hundreds, or we can say that the numbers are keep reducing by 100. Okay, that's all for this subtopic. Thank you and see you again in next class.